Tiny whiskers in the morning light, soft little paws stepping so bright, golden eyes shining like the stars. You heal my world without a scar. When you curl up next to me, life feels calm, life feels free. In your purr I find my home, no more lonely nights alone. Oh, little paws, big, big heart, you love me right from the start. Through every fall, through every scar, you're my sunshine where you are. Meow, meow, melody so sweet. Tiny steps and tiny feet in this world so wild and far. You're my little superstar. Climbing mountains, chasing dreams, dreamed by the silver streams. Mama cat and baby too, sharing love so pure and true. If the rain begins to fall, I will hold you through it all. You and me will always be one small happy family. Oh, little paws, don't you fear, I'll be with you every year, through every adventure, near or far. You're my shining star, put her purse, sleep so tight, dream of light tonight. All time. Sleep so tight. Dream of love tonight. Dream of love tonight.